Hey traders, welcome back to another, I believe it will be a very valuable lesson. And before we get started, I just want to show off a little bit on our new merch, right? So credits to my wife. My wife was the one that designed the entire thing, really simple. So behind there's some words as well. It says patience is an art. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, just something that I'm really happy to sort of give back to the community. Of course, it takes time to distribute to so many countries, but just proud of that. So come back to the lesson here. So why do I decide to share this screenshot and the performance to all of you? Is because this trader is from China and he has a big language barrier, but he still decided to trust the community and really try to learn from my guidance. So from June to August, from July to August, he has achieved an impressive, I believe it was about close to 40R, positive 40R. Can all of you imagine how crazy the figure is? Of course, his result doesn't represent all of my traders' result. Everyone has different performance. We all share similar strategy like TPF. I'm sorry, everything's in Chinese, but TPF, break and retest, different continuation or mean reversion kind of setup. We all share the same setups, but what's impressive is he was able to really utilize them and just achieve such an impressive performance. So when you look at this kind of performance, right, I want all of you to look at the risk reward. You know, previously when I say about risk reward, there were a few comments saying that risk reward is not important. If you think risk reward is not important, then just try to achieve a 90% win rate. It's unsustainable. Risk reward is important because it takes off the ease of you having to achieve such a high strike rate. Why scratch your head being correct every single time? What's more important is when market proves you correct, how can you maximize the profit? And that's what this Kang, this trader has exemplified through his performance. See that? He has break-evens. That means he has a very good trade management, risk management, really protecting the downside. 5R, 4.5 point off, negative 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, positive 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 7. Yesterday he has another 3R, 3.5R on EA short. So what I'm trying to really show you here is how he has been focusing on protecting the downside, at the same time uncapped the potential. He is not someone who say, if I have some profits, I want to secure it. He let his position to run and he really skilled into his winner. So on this 7R trade, you look at this, 加仓4笔. In English, it means he skilled in 4 times. Impressive. And then you look at all the details here. He's first thing first, he's very consistent with the way he exits his trade. Second thing, he's very consistent with the way he manages his position. He's consistent with the way he's skilled into his position. He's consistent with the way he journal his trade. He journal his trade throughout the stormy days, the beautiful days. Look at the performance here. There were times where he lost 6 trades in a row. Alright? In fact, 7 trades in a row and 2 break even. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades where it just absolutely go nowhere. But did he get emotional with that? No. He was happy with the outcome. He was happy with the losses because he knew one thing. He was sticking with his system. I remember when he went through the drawdown, he even texted me and said it's not a big deal. That's the amount of confidence you need to have as a good trader. Alright? So he just want to share to all of you, right, what he has achieved. So if you look at all the performance here, so beautiful journaling, very consistent, multiple time frames capture. I always tell all my students, all the traders, if you want to become consistent, if you want to have a proper reviewing process, make sure every time when you do your journal, you capture multiple time frame screenshots. The 4 hour, the daily, the 15 minute, the 1 hour. Why? Is because you need all of the details to make sure you know what's your A game like, what's your best setup, what's your A plus setup, what's your C setup. Alright, all the entry timing, the patterns, the win loss, the risk reward, etc. Then if you go to our Telegram, right, I just want to show all of you what he has achieved within 2 months. So he started really go more heavy onto his challenges, maybe two to 3 months, right? He passed 2 evaluation. That means he got 2 funded accounts within 2 to 3 months period. He has secured 2 payouts in total. I will just bleep the amount, right? No, I don't want to talk about the amount. It's not important. Whether if you make thousands or whatever, I believe it's not important. I'm not creating this video to show off how much he has made, but rather the consistency, rather how much effort he has put in, and what are the outcome, the byproduct that he has achieved, he has received. And he just passed his another phase 1 yesterday on MP funds, on this EA short. See that? On this beautiful EA short, he passed another phase 1, and he is about to secure his 3rd funded account. So what I'm really trying to say here is, if all of you really look at the most consistent trader, some of the best traders, you know, Kang, when he approached me, right, about half year ago, he was a nobody. He don't know what he was doing. He was not consistent. And guess what? Within a short half year time after he joined the trade club, this is his equity curve. Very nice, very clean for 6 months period. Since March until today, 24th of August, his equity curve has been steadily going up. And that's something that all of you has to achieve. That's our end goal as a trader. We're not looking for the massive swing on your equity curve. We want something that presents consistency and discipline and the real system. And yeah, so back to Kang, really good performance. Another person is, I want to show all of you, is also Horace. So he is one of the Hong Kong traders inside our trade club. So we got traders from 10 other countries inside the 1%ers trade club. This is also someone that I want to show all of you. So he only joined our trade club for less than a month, and back then his performance was not so consistent. You see the way he texted me, and he said he just want to become a better trader. I always love this kind of transparency, and all of you to see. All of you to actually see. So within 1 month of joining our trade club, look at how many questions he has asked me. He's a futures trader. Bear in mind, I'm an FX trader. He's a future trader. We got stocks trader. We also got crypto trader. It doesn't affect anything, all right? Because trading is quite applicable across different instruments. All right, it's all about knowledge. It's all about understanding of price action. It's all about having a proper system and having a proper mentality. All right, having a proper expectation. All right, he would text me very often, ask me about questions, and I would joke with him. I would reply him. I would assist him. I'm always happy to assist traders like him. Really passionate. See that? See that? So what happened is, within half a month time, he managed to, let me see if I still got the performance. Alright, so yeah, that's the performance. So basically he managed to pass 1 funded account on I'm not sure what's the company. Yeah, he has 150k funded accounts, and he's also doing his evaluation on his 2nd account. So within 1 month. So this shows that if you are willing to put in the work for just a few months, tunnel vision, just full focus, you'll be able to change the entire thing. You'll be able to change your game, flip the game around. And I just want to motivate all of you, if you're watching my YouTube channel, just want to show all of you how this consistency is everything. Alright, I remember when they approached me in the first place. I'm not here trying to say, oh, join my trade club. No. What I'm trying to say is, every single good trader, you need a proper routine. You need consistency. And in order for you to make thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, the first thing you need to have is proper education. Second thing, do you really know what you're doing or not? Third thing, are you willing to put in the work? Look at this track record, this tracking sheet shows a lot of consistency. I know for some of you haters watching this, you'll say, what if he fake this? He doesn't have the time to fake this. And I've seen his payout certificate. I have seen him passing them, because we actually share every single thing inside our trade club, so you can actually see. We share everything. Look at how many messages we have. Alright, so yeah, full transparency. How many education do we have? All videos, yeah, hundreds of videos, every single thing. So I hope these motivate a lot of you, and to really think in terms of long-term sustainability, and really to know what you're doing. Alright, so if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, let me know if you have benefited from this video, if you're inspired from this video, and I'll talk to you next time.